Hello, welcome back to my channel Tutor Things. Today in this video we are going to see what is meant by Angular directives. So let's know about the Angular directives, like what are the different kinds of directives and what is meant by Angular directive in the how it works and what is the definition of that we are going to see in this video. So before starting into that, I want to mention one thing, that is, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from us. As you know, we have started the Angular tutorials. We have done previous videos like how to create your first application, like what is the difference between Angular and Angular JS, which is the old version of Angular, and what is the difference between TypeScript and JavaScript. We have done what is meant by single page application, as Angular is a single page application. We have done so many videos, and in this video I will gonna show you the examples of directives in this StackBlitz, one of the web development platform. So I have made a review on that website also, so check out those videos also, so that will help you to know about that website in a better way. So we have done so many videos like full stack development, web development, what is meant by front end, what back end, full stack JS, what is meant by that. And we have already made a playlist on HTML and CSS and SQL kind of things. So go through my channel and watch all those videos, so that will definitely help you. So in this video I wanna you make use of this TagBliss online platform, where I will gonna show you the practical example, like how these derivatives really work and what is these derivatives are. So in this application I'm going to Angular and selecting Angular, so that you will get Angular environment will be created. So in this Angular environment, we can do anything in that instant only. We can change everything, so that will output will come by using the hot reloading concept. Here we have app component where we have some text like this. So all those things we can change, so that here the output will changes. Likewise, here we have signing option also, so that we can sign and we can save our projects in a GitHub also. So it will ask you GitHub credentials to make you sign in. So without signing in also you can perform any operation. So about all this tag lists, I have done a video, so you can go through that video, and so that you will got to know what is this use of stack bliss and all this. So about all the concepts we have done videos, so go through our playlist and check out all those videos. So let's see what is meant by directives. So in Angular, directives are nothing but changes the behavior of HTML DOM. So to change the behavior of HTML DOM, we use this directives, like we call it as Angular directives we use for that purpose. So Angular directives is nothing but which changes the behavior of HTML, right? As we discussed. So in Angular, directives are basically like classes that will give a new behavior to the elements or in the templates, or modify the existing behavior likewise. So the main purpose of directives in Angular is the to change the DOM, to manipulate the DOM. Just to think of that. So it may be the adding new elements to the DOM, or removing the elements, or even changing the appearance of DOM elements. Like that DOM, like object model. So document object model, which has HTML, and header will be there, body will be there in the div components and images. So all this comes under DOM. DOM manipulation can be done in Angular by using these derivatives. The changing of behavior of HTML DOM is nothing but can be done by using of derivatives. There are three types of derivatives. We call it as a SAC. So structural, attribute, and component. Before going to know that, I will show you one example, like what derivatives actually means. Here I have given some input and hello text, and here you can see a div tag also. So let's see why this error is coming, because I have added a hide method. So that method I have to specify here in this component.ts file. So I have to give this hide method, which have to return something. So I'm returning something called as true. So you can see now my HTML DOM has came. So it is having one input field, and also one text will be there with the name derivative, and some div element is there with the hidden attribute and a hide method. So let's understand what is derivatives. Here you can see I will show you this ng model. Whatever I am highlighting is a ng model is one of the derivative we called as, because it is helping to change this whatever DOM we have. this is helping to change the DOM, so it is called as derivative. How this is changing is, this is binding the name, which is you can see in the ts file, app.component.ts file. We have this name property, right? So we have angular plus version dot major. So whatever the angular version, this name, whatever we are seeing as output, that name we are uh, assigning in the ts file, and that is binding here by using this ng model. The ng model we are binding here. So this is nothing but derivative. So this is helping to change the model. We have input box, but the text inside the input box we are mapping this, the name of ng model. So that is the model which we are specifying in the ts file. So this is also a derivative. Ng model is the derivative, sorry, directive. So next, after the directive, you can see here in the next line, hello tag is there, name is there. So here we are binding the name value to this name. Name is equal to name. So whatever we are doing here is we are reflecting that, that is two-way binding we are doing here. The name which we are seeing in the input box, whatever is the ts file, will reflect here also. So the name here comes likewise. So this is also one what we can call as directive. So next we have third element here, div element. So we have attribute called as hidden. So for that we have one method called as hide. So this is also attribute directive, like we are changing this attribute based upon this method. This attribute may be false or may be true. Whatever the return this method is returning, based upon that this text will be hidden, or if it is true, hidden, then it will be hidden. If it is false, it will not be hidden. You can see in the ts file I have returning true. So that is nothing but this hello div is hiding here. So that is hiding. So if you want to show that thing, what I can give is false. That is nothing but don't hide, that false I am giving. So here you can see here attribute is getting as false because hide method is returning false. So it is false, the attribute is false. So you can see the element here. So likewise, this is change in the DOM structure. Before you can't see this element, this element is hidden or removed, like we are manipulating DOM here, right, by using this attribute directive. So this is nothing but directives. The examples of directives, you can see ng model is a thing, and here two-way binding name is the two flower brackets under that name is the one of the directive. And next attribute hidden, here is the directive. Likewise, these are directives which changes the behavior of html DOM. Here you can see whenever I am changing here, the name here also changes. So likewise, the name value here, the name value which are binding here with this input field, and the same name value we are binding here with the name field for this hello tag. So this hello is coming from hello component. To understand that, we am telling here, you can see selector hello is there. So by using that selector, we are selecting that in the html template. Along with that, name is coming from there. So likewise, so this is all about angular directives. So angular directives are of three types. So let's see those. The sac, you can easily understand by sac. So structural things are there. What is meant by structure means change or appearance of DOM by adding or removing element. Here how we are doing, adding this hello thing, and also we can removing. So other than that, we can also have some different kinds of examples as structural appearance of DOM can be changed by adding or removing the elements. And also attribute directives are there. Here you can hidden, or not only hidden, there are so many attributes you can specify true or false for that, so that changing or appearance of DOM will be changes, like modifying the attributes of DOM elements, so that will change the appearance of the DOM, right? So attribute directives are there in angular. And next, component directives. So directives with its own template. So whatever the here you can see now hello is there, like this is a property, hello property. So that will change with the component, the hello component, so that it will change. This is one of the component type of derivatives. Like derivatives with the templates. Here you can see hello is the template here. So by using selector, we are deciding that this is a user control. So you can control that how that hello will be there. Hello name of that whatever we are specifying the ts file of app component.ts. So if we remove this, only angular will be present. Likewise, and not only false, you can specify true to change this hidden property. So this will be hidden here, hello world is not present. Likewise, here you can change the name also, like if you want to give name here also, hello Sam I have given. So whenever the one of the main advantage of using StackBlitz website is you can practice your Angular kind of concepts, like any concept it in particular instant only within minutes or seconds. You can try with different kind of examples by using this StackBlitz. I suggest everyone to go through this platform and understand, and you can practice so that you will get concepts better by practicing with different examples. So that's all I want to specify in this video, that is Angular directives, which are of three types. I will definitely make a video on each and every directive in it with an example also to understand better. So until this video, we have covered ng module as an attribute, like how it is changing the input box, and the name, same name, how we are binding with other fields also, like what are the attribute derivatives, like based upon the method return value, so how we are specifying the hidden or not. So these all things I have mentioned here. This is one of the very cool platform which is having a hot reloading. At that instant we are changing here, the output will change. And also so many, no need to download all the files, all are predefined files. Within one click all this platform of JS will be developed. So make better use of it. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up, Dila, and share this videos to your all of your friends who don't know about this tag blades and what is meant by Angular derivatives. So directives. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.